Most businesses are hiring more staff right now, but what if you didn't need to? I've been testing Claude AI with GoHighLevel, and it can almost automate everything. I'm talking about doing projects for you, booking appointments automatically, and following up with every lead, even being your data analyst. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and exactly how to set this up. So we're just going to go right into setup. I'm not going to waste any of your time. Step number one is we're going to be setting up Claude with HighLevel. Okay, so creating the Claude and then basically going in and connecting them. Now, here's the crazy part. I'm going to be showing you stuff with Claude, how we can really ramp it up and do insane data analysis with HighLevel, but I'm also going to show you the power of HighLevel's AI combined so you can literally have it build websites, do jobs for you, and all kinds of other absolutely crazy stuff that is going to blow you away. And if you don't have HighLevel yet, there is a 30-day free trial right down below, not the 14-day, a 30-day. But without further ado, let's jump right in and let us set up our Claude account and get it integrated with HighLevel. First step is to search for WindsorAI, and immediately you create your account by connecting GoHighLevel first. Click connection here and grant access. Once you click it, it will have you log into your GoHighLevel account. And after logging in, okay, scroll to the bottom and click next. Then select all the sub accounts you want in here because you can change this later. It will close the window automatically. And this is where you check this box, which sub account you are wanting in Claude. Now it will prompt you to create an account. So let me do that really quickly. Okay, your account is created and all you got to do is now click next. Don't worry too much about this screen because you won't be using it very much. It just says data sources and requests. These are all the fields that you're going to read and go HighLevel. Okay, but you can't use them unless you pay. So just pick the most important ones for now, where you can see how much info it can pull. It's all connected. So go to Claude and create an account there if you don't have one already, and then download said desktop app. Then you go to the app and log in right here because creating an account for the app can be a little buggy, honestly. Then you got to verify the whole email address. Now that you're in chat open, customize this and connect to your app. Then search for WindsorAI and click the plus sign right here. Since you've already logged in a minute ago, it should only ask for the access request. Click allow and reopen Claude or refresh. Now you can go back, okay, and check and use the prompts. Let's paste my first prompt. But first, I need to use sample data since I'm connecting a test account for privacy. We're going to copy all this, and then we're going to paste that in, and then we're going to click enter right here. So first use case, let's say you want to know what content is actually working. I'm going to ask Claude, based on my Windsor data, which one of my social posts drove the most engagement this month, and what do they have in common, and watch what happens. It's not guessing, it's actually pulling your data and giving you a real answer with patterns and takeaways, stuff you can actually use. The takeaway here is you don't need a social media analyst on staff because you got one right here. So then we have the use case. Let's talk about your pipeline. Okay, so this is going to be really, really big. I'm asking which leads in my GoHighLevel CRM haven't been followed up with in over 7 days. And what's the best step for each one? It reads your CRM and it looks where each lead is in the funnel. And it tells you exactly who to contact and what to say. This is the kind of thing that a sales manager would spend hours on, and your virtual employee literally does it in seconds. Third one, okay, I'm going to show you. This is for big picture thinkers. Okay, I'm asking based on my current pipeline and marketing data, what should my focus be next month to hit all of my revenue targets? And it looks at your KPIs and it looks at what's converting it, drafts a prioritized action plan for you. So you're not just getting a data dump, you're getting a recommendation from something that actually knows your numbers. So look at how insane all this is. It is legitimately going through and giving you everything you could need. So these kind of use cases are really, really important. And this is the way you can use Claude to really be a data analyst for you, which can help you make really good data-driven decisions. Now, this is really, really cool, but let's go a little higher level and let's really show you how this can be really powerful in GoHighLevel, but more importantly, GoHighLevel's AI tools to kind of plug this in and make it go even faster and better. Because believe it or not, there are things that are even crazier than Claude inside of HighLevel. So let me show you. So as you saw, Claude with HighLevel is great for like data analysis and a lot of cool stuff like that. But if you want to take it a step further and really crank with AI and really get a lot of stuff done, you're going to want to use both the Ask AI and AI Studio feature inside of the entire HighLevel dashboard. So Ask AI is absolutely insane. It basically lets you talk to your CRM and it does tasks for you. So I'll show you right here. Say we want to create a bunch of products inside of HighLevel. We come to products, there's nothing there. If we did it the old way, we'd have to come and create product and go through the whole 9 yards. But instead, we can come to Ask AI and we can say, please create me 5 different shampoo products with descriptions and images and prices each. I didn't even spell this right, but I'm going to enter and it is going to talk back to me and it's going to actually do the job for me. Okay, we are done and look at this. In seconds it created this, but here's the thing. It isn't just going to create it. It's actually going to go into the products page, create products, put prices on, descriptions, all this. Watch this. I'll show you right now because you saw that there wasn't. We're going to click yes. Now watch this. In seconds, it's going to take these products it created, not just build them for you, but then plug them in to your payments tab, create them and go through everything. And by the way, guys, this is just a fraction of what it can do. It can put in leads, it can message people, it can create pipelines, it can create conversations, it can do really almost anything you can think of. And just wait till I show you the vibe code builder because that is even more insane. And again, if you're taking Claude and HighLevel's AI and mixing it together, you are undefeatable. Boom. Okay, we see it. We're going to go to payments. We're going to go to products. Look at that. I mean, like it created it for price points. I mean, this is insanity. I could put these on the e-com store and start selling them. So again, it can do all kinds of tasks. You just ask it, you tell it what to do, and it does it. As you see here, I've been keeping it busy. Now, if we go to Agent Studio, we can build websites, apps, really anything in seconds. So check this out. I'm going to say, build me a fitness app and make it track calories, workouts, ECT. I click enter, and this vibe builder goes to work. Look at this. In minutes, it created an entire workout app for me to log workouts, track macros, and everything. In minutes, it vibe coded an entire app. It can do this with websites. It can do this with any sort of application. It can do almost anything. And these tools are inside of GoHighLevel. And they have the best AI voice agents and AI chatbots that you can find pretty much anywhere. So I'm telling you again, HighLevel's AI mixed with Claude is insane. But I'm not going to lie, from what I'm seeing with HighLevel, soon enough, their AI will be more powerful than what Claude has because they integrate every AI with them. If you actually want to make money online and you don't just want to be a hobbyist clicking buttons, which is a lot of people online, you need to sell the solution that's all in one to local businesses. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, but what I want to do now is I want to offer you something for free. I want to give you something that I believe could help you, and that is my help from me helping sell this to local businesses. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to give you that extended 30-day free trial of HighLevel right down below, and then give you access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, free resources, templates, snapshots, up to 7 live coaching calls, even ones with me every single week for free, so you can learn how to sell GoHighLevel and Claude to local businesses. Yes, this is all going to be free, and if you don't like it after 30 days, cancel. It costs you zero money if you do that, and you can see if you like it. But I am that sure that you are going to like this, that I'm giving you this option. And again, we have real calls with real agency owners that are actually selling GoHighLevel and mastering it. You're not going to find this anywhere else. I'm being so serious. And if you do, I will give you a reward for it. But I know you're not going to because no one does it like we do it here in this group. So again, if this interests you and you're interested in actually mastering this and not just being a hobbyist with AI and actually going to local businesses and solving their problems, look no further than hopping into this free group. And all you have to do to access it is click that link right down below. Or if you already have HighLevel, upgrade under me and you will be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got a ton of value out of this. If you have any questions at all, drop in the comments down below. If you're interested in GoHighLevel, smash that 30-day free trial and get started. And most importantly, watch the video that pops up at the end of this one because it's going to be a beginner's in-depth guide to GoHighLevel. It's not a long video, but it goes over all the things you need to know so you fully understand GoHighLevel. So thanks again and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.